Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to merge cells in Lucidchart. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and open up a project right here. For example, this one. Now you're going to want to go ahead and make a table. Okay. Go ahead over to more shapes right here. If you haven't done so, search for tables. Okay. Just like that, and make sure that you enable the table section right here. Once done, click on use selected shapes. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and scroll down until you find the table section. You're going to want to go ahead and drag and drop, for example, at this section. Maximize it if you want to. Now, if you want to add in some columns and rows, we have that in here. Okay. Rows. Now, to be able to merge a cell, let me just zoom in right here. For example, this one, A, like that. A, then B right here. Now to be able to merge a cell, go ahead and select on one cell and to hold Control key on your keyboard. If you're using Mac OS, hold the CMD key, then pick the second cell. Okay, as you can see here, they're both highlighted. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the right panel, and as you can see here, we now have the merge option. Just click on it, and as you can see here, it's now merged. Now, if you want to unmerge it, go ahead and click on the cell itself. Now go to the right panel and you have the unmerge option here. Just click on it. And as you can see here, when we click on one, the merge and unmerge options are both disabled. And that's basically how you do it. All right. Now, when we merge, for example, A and B right here, I'm going to select B. I'm going to select A as well. I'm going to hit all merge. As you can see here, only A has been copied. Well, can you merge multiple cells, right? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't, okay? You can only merge a single row or a single column, okay? I'm going to show you a single row right here. As you can see, merging is available. I'm going to unmerge it. And I'm going to go ahead and select a single column. Just like that, hit on merge, all right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.